Okay, so we're going to take a look at the homework. Go ahead and answer the questions on the Ed puzzle for number 1. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the power to a power rule, which says we're going to multiply. And then now when the bases are the same and we're multiplying, we just add those exponents. Number 2. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is rewrite them with the same base. And then over here on the right, we're going to just rewrite that, and then we can do power of a power, which means we're multiplying, and then now we just simply add the exponents. Number 3. Okay, so on the top, we want to do a power to a power rule, and then on the bottom, we want to rewrite 9 as 3 squared. And then now what we're going to do is simplify the denominator by doing the power to a power by multiplying. And then now we're going to subtract. So remember, this is where a lot of people go wrong, is that you're supposed to be subtracting the entire exponent of the denominator. So don't forget to distribute that negative when you do that. All right, so number 4. Okay, again, this is just going to be a combination of getting to be the same base and applying all of those properties. If you have any questions, please make sure to address them. Number 5, again, we're going to rewrite things with the same base, do the power to a power, and then now we can simplify that. Ends up being 1. Number 6. All right, so you want to be able to simplify the inside first, and then if you wanted to get rid of the radical, just put brackets over the entire thing and then raise it to the power of 1/2, but don't do the 1/2 until the very end. So now we've got a power to a power rule, and we're simplifying that, and then now we're just going to simplify it, and then we're going to raise it to the power of the 1/2. And so that's our final answer. Make sure to address any questions on 1 through 6. Okay, on number 7, we're supposed to be solving. We need to rewrite them. And then you set the exponents equal to each other. Okay, remember, if it's not possible, we're going to solve it graphically using Desmos. This number 7 is possible because we rewrite 9 and 27 with a base of 3. And then now we have something very similar to what we did on 1 through 6. All right, number 8, it looks like we're going to have to take things down to a base of 2. So during that process, all I'm doing is rewriting things, simplifying. Remember, when we're dividing, we have to subtract. So 6x plus 12 minus 2x minus 6, distribute. Now you've got one expression equal to another with the same base. Set those exponents equal to each other and solve. All right, 9. All right, we're going to rewrite it with the same base of 5, setting those exponents equal to each other, and then we're going to solve. 10. Rewriting with the same base, we're going to need to take that down to a base of 2. So then we are rewriting them, simplifying, setting those exponents equal to each other and solving. Number 11, again, we need to do a base of 2. When you have a fraction, it's like 1 over 2 cubed, so that becomes 2 to the negative 3. Distribute, get those bases to be the same, set those exponents equal to each other, and solve. Number 12, again, we want to work on the inside, and then we can say it's to the power of the 1/2. Let's go ahead and simplify the inside. We're going to further do that. by getting our 3x minus 3 over 2x to the 1/2. And then now we're going to get that to be the base of 2, and then we're going to subtract those exponents. Okay. This right here is this. All right, and then we are going to now take multiply power to a power and then solve for x. Number 13, I've got a base of 3, a base of -2 plus 3. I need to use Desmos on this. So if you haven't done that, use Desmos, and then let's solve it. Okay, so you're going to graph or at least put in Desmos this first equation and then this one. Don't forget about the plus 3 at the end. And you find out that the intersection is x equals 2. Number 14, we need to rewrite all of these with a base of 3. Then we just need to simplify. Continue to simplify, set those exponents equal to each other, and solve for x.